Good morning, students. We are studying our chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. In this chapter, we have studied about natural fibers, animal fibers, and synthetic fibers. Today, we are going to study our last topic of the chapter, History of Clothing. Then, what is clothing? Clothing is items worn on the body. Clothing is typically made up of fabrics or textiles, but over time has included garments made from animal skin or other thin sheets of materials put together. The wearing of clothing is mostly restricted to human beings and is a feature of all human societies. Now we will start with the history of clothing material. In ancient times, people used big leaves of trees, barks of trees, animal, etc. to cover their body. Wearing animal skins. The earliest form of clothing was probably animal skins worn over the body for warmth and used as bedding. The best information we have about the history of clothing comes from the tools used in its creation. Distinctive sewing needles made from bone were found near Russia. These needles were dated to around 18,000 BC and were likely used to sew animal skins together to form crude clothing. When man began to settle down in communities, he began to tie together twigs, grass, leaves, animal skin, fur, etc. into mats and clothes. They simply draped these fabric around their body because they didn't know stitching. Later, when needle was invented, people started stitching these fabric into different shapes to suit their body, and thus clothes were evolved. Sewing, knitting and crocheting. First material used for clothing that was not leather but textile was probably felt, processed animal hair. Felt is processed animal hair. Nail binding, which is early textile method of knitting and crochet. Then came textile, woven fabric. But because of their composition, what was their composition? Protein and plant sources. They tend to disintegrate over time, so there's very little evidence of their history. Now, textiles and fabrics. Fabric at this time was spun by hand or woven on primitive looms. Starting around 6000 BC, other fibers such as rush, reed, palm, and papyrus were used together with flax. Flax is linen to make ropes and other textiles. Bark and hemp fibers were discovered to have been used in Japan around 5500 BC. Now, as we know that we have a variety of clothing choices for both men and women. They are very varied in choices, colors, design, etc. In fact, we have moved from simple clothing to fashionable clothing. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.